It's Garrett with Fleshmasters Plumbing and Drains. We're out here on a job in Cardston. We have a failed sump pump issue, and what's going on is the float has worn out. We recommend replacing the sump pumps every 5 to 8 years depending on usage. So as you can see here, the sump pump has failed. The float, which is this guy here, no longer works. So right now we are overriding the float, running the pump only, and are about to install a new sump pump for these people. As you can see, the water, they don't have a lot of things that they've lost, but they've got water all throughout this basement area. Okay, so the water has died down. Obviously the barrel's still full. It's died down enough to where it's controlled, the basement level. We are now going to replace the sump pump. Wow. As you can see, it looks like a cast iron pump. And that is a beauty. So we're going to put a brand new one in. We use a Titan pump.